exercise 12.2, the first sum. So this is the given diagram. So AB is 9 meters and BC is 12 meters and CD is 5 meter and AD is 8 meter and angle C is given as 90 degree. So we have to find the area of ABCD by using Heron's formula. Right. Now first let us consider the right angle triangle BCD because this angle is 90 degree. So BCD let us consider. So we can say BD is the hypotenuse. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can say the hypotenuse square BD square is equal to, we can say BC square plus CD square. So BC is 12 square and CD is 5. So 12 square is 144 and 5 square is 25. So totally this is square root of 169. So the square root for 169 is 13 meters. So now let us find out separately the area for BCD and BAD. Okay, this angle is not 90 degree, only for this. So for this BCD we can find the area of triangle is half into base into height, because from the diagram we can say this is called base and this is height. So by substituting half into 12 into 5, we can say this is 30 meter square is the area for the first triangle, this first half BCD. Now area for triangle ABD. So this length already we found as 13 meters. For that only we have used Pythagoras application. So we know the three sides by Heron's formula. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, that is 8 plus 9 plus 13 divided by 2, that is 30 by 2. So we will be getting 15 by cancellation. One time, and this is 15 times. Okay. So A is equal to 8, B is equal to 9 and C is equal to 13. By replacing the values, we will be getting 15 into 7 into 6 into 2. So 15 can be split as 3 into 5, 7, and 6 can be split as 2 into 3, and this is 2. So there are 2 3s. So 1 3 can be taken out from the square root. And there are 2 2s. So 1 2 can be taken out from the square root. So remaining is unpaired are 5 and 7. So this is 2 3s are 6, 6 root 35. For 35 we know the approximate square root value is 5.91. So 6 into 5.91 is 35.5 meter square. But we need to find the total area, which means we have to add the area of BCD plus the area of ABD. So adding these two, we will be getting 30 plus 35.5, that is 65.5 meter square is the total area. AD. So from the diagram itself, we know there are two triangles can be split. So first let us split the first triangle ABC. ABC, the measurements are 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. So by applying Heron's formula, S is equal to 6 cm. Okay, and the area of triangle by Heron's formula is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So by substituting the values, we will be getting 6 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this 6 can be split into 2 into 3. So there are 2 2s and 2 3s are there. So we can take out from the square root as 2 into 3, that is 6 centimeter square is the area of ABC. Now let us find out the triangle ADC. The sides are 5, 5 and 4 centimeters. So here we can find the S is equal to 7 centimeter by cancellation. So area is equal to, by substituting the values, S is 7 and A is 5 and B is 5 and C is 4. So 7 into 2 into 2 into 3. So there are 2 2s. So 1 2 can be taken out from the square root. So the unpaired are 7 and 3. So 2 root 21. The approximate square root value for 21 is 4.6. So by multiplication we will be getting 9.2 centimeter square. This is the area of ADC. But we need to find the area of ABCD. This entire diagram we have to find out. So by adding The first area is 6, the second one is 9.2. So this is 15.2 centimeter square. Question number 3. This is the given diagram. Now we have to find the area of the entire portion. There are 6 portions are split. Portion 1, and this is portion 2, and this is portion 3, and this is portion 4, and this is portion 5. So each measurement is given. So let us take each portion separately and we can find the area separately, and finally we can add together. Okay. Let us consider the first portion. Okay. The first portion is, this is the area. So the measurement is 5, 5 and 1 centimeter. So by using Heron's formula, S is 5.5 centimeter. Now let us substitute the value, that is area 1. So S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So S is 5.5 and A is 5, B is 5 and C is 1. So by substituting the values, we will be getting 5.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 4.5. So there are two 0.5s. So one 0.5 can be taken out from the square root. So the remaining is 5.5 into 4.5. The result is, by multiplying it, we will be getting 24.75. The approximate value for the square root of 24.75 is 4.8. So we have to take the square root division. Okay. So 0.5 into 4.8 is 2.4 centimeter square. This is the area for portion 1. Now let us consider the second portion. Second portion is in the shape of a rectangle. Okay. So length into breadth, that is the area. So area of rectangle is length into breadth, that is 1 into 6.5. So area 2 is equal to 6.5 centimeter square. Make it as equation number 2. Now let us consider the portion 3. So third portion. Okay. The third portion is in the shape of a trapezium. Okay. So the measurements are 1 and this is 0.5, because this entire length is 2 centimeter. So by taking the perpendicular line, we can say, so since this portion is 1 centimeter, means this is also 1 centimeter. So remaining 0.5, 0.5. So totally when we add, we will be getting 2 centimeter. Now area of trapezium formula is 1 by 2 AB plus DC into AE. AB plus DC means sum of the parallel sides into the height AE. Okay. So half into AB is 1 and DC is 2 into, for AE we have to find out the height, but we know only these two sides. Okay. The hypotenuse we know and one of the side we know, because it makes angle 90 degree. So by using Pythagoras application, we can say AD square minus DE square. So AD square is 1 square minus 0.5 square. So 1 square is 1, 0.5 means 0.25. So by subtraction we will be getting 0.75. So 1 by 2 into 3 into 0.75. For 0.75, let us consider as 75 by 100. Okay. Now by cancellation, this is 3 by 4, which means square root of 3 divided by 4 the square root எடுத்தோம்னாக்க 2 வந்துரும். அப்போ இங்க multiply பண்றப்போ 2 2s are 4. 3 into square root of 3 means the approximate value is 1.732. அப்போ 3 into square root of 3. Okay. அப்போ we can cancel this as 1 4s are 4 and this is 0.433. So 3 into 0.433 is 1.299 centimeter square. This is the area for portion 3. Now let us consider the portion 4. Okay. So from the diagram we can say the portion 4 is, look at over here. This is the portion. Okay. So since it makes 90 degree, so this is 6 and this is 1.5, which means let us consider this as base and this as height. So area of right angle triangle is half into base into height, that is 6 into 1.5. So 1 2s are 2, this is 3 times. So 3 into 1.5 is 4.5 centimeter square. This is area 4. And now let us find out area 5. So area 5 also on the same, that is 6 centimeter and 1.5, and this makes a 90 degree, which means base into height. So area of triangle is half into base into height. So 1 by 2 into 6 into 1.5, that is area 5 is 4.5 centimeter square. Okay. Now we have to find the total area, means we have to add all the 5 portions area. Area 1, area 2, area 3, area 4 and area 5. So area 1 is 2.4 and area 2 6.5, area 3 is 1.299 and area 4 is 4.5 plus area 5 is 4.5. So totally when we add, the total area is 19.28 centimeter square. Question number 4. This is a given diagram. We can see there is a triangle over here and there is a parallelogram. Okay. So it is given that the area of triangle is equal to the area of a parallelogram. Now we have to find the height of the parallelogram. So this height only we have to find out. Now first let us consider the triangle. By using Heron's formula, we can say S is equal to 42 centimeter. This is 1 2s are 2 and this is 42. Okay. Now A is 26 and B is 28 and C is 30. So area of triangle is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So 42 into 42 minus 26 and 42 minus 28 and 42 minus 30. So by subtraction we will be getting 42 into 16 into 14 into 12. So this 42 can be split as 6 into 7. 16 is 4 into 4. 14 is 2 into 7 and 12 is 2 into 6. So there are 2 6 and 2 7s and 2 4s and 2 2s. So by removing the square root, 6 into 7 into 4 into 2, we will be getting the area of triangle is 336 centimeter square. Now area of parallelogram is equal to area of a triangle. That is, area of parallelogram formula is base into height is equal to 336. So base is 28. From the diagram we can say this is the base. So 28 into h is equal to 336. So height is equal to 336 divided by 28. By cancellation, we will be getting 12. So the height of the parallelogram is 12 centimeter. So we can find the area of a triangle and we can multiply by 2 so that becomes the entire area. So S is equal to 30 plus 48 divided by 2. So 108 by 2, that is 54. So by Heron's formula, we can substitute, since there are 2 triangles. So 2 into square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. By substituting the values, we will be getting 54 into 24 into 24 into 6. So this 54 can be split as 3 into 3 into 6. 24 can be split as 4 into 6 and this is also 4 into 6. Otherwise we can keep the same as 24 itself. Okay, so 124 can be taken out. So now this 6 can be written as it is. Now there are 2 3s. 1 3 can be taken out. These 2 6, 1 6, another 2 6, 1 6 can be taken out, and there are 2 4s. So 1 4 can be taken out. So by multiplying we can get area of ABCD is 864 meter square. This is nothing but the entire area for 18 cows. So 18 cows can graze in this entire portion. Now we need to find area for 1 cow to be grazed. That is 864 divided by 18, so 48 meter square. So the area for 1 cow needed is 48 meter square.